As coming into college, I really wanted to learn about how drugs work in your body and how it all related to healthcare. And seeing the opportunities and coursework that the Pharmaceutical Science Program has to offer really cemented my decision to join the program.
I first decided that I was interested in pharmacy in high school. I was fortunate enough to volunteer over the summer at my local hospital. That really just kind of sparked my interest. And I was raised in Georgia. I've always been a Bulldogs fan. So pursuing pharmaceutical sciences here at UGA was a no brainer for me.
I spend most of my time now in the Pharmacy South and RC Wilson Pharmacy buildings, which are beautiful, and you see a bunch of people walking around in lab coats, so it's really exciting, and everyone's friendly, everyone's talking about pharmacy, talking about their classes, and you just spend a lot of time really thinking in a science world.
I originally came in as a biology major, like most freshmen do, and I was super excited for it. I thought that's what I really wanted to do until I looked at the upper level courses. I realized I didn't feel very passionate or excited about those, so I started to explore some other options, and I came across the College of Pharmacy.
And I knew that I wanted to work in a laboratory specifically. So I chose the Pharmaceutical Sciences Program because it's very catered towards working in a lab, whereas some of the core science programs, you learn the core science, but you lack the knowledge that you need to actually be functioning in a lab and be successful in a lab setting.
My favorite class in the PharmSci program was Dr. Reiki's Pharmaceutical Sciences course series. In that class, we got a lot of hands-on experience. We got to be in the lab and learn how to manufacture products, learn all about the FDA regulations, USP. We're also fortunate enough to have a lot of pharmaceutical companies here in Athens. So we got to visit some of those companies and see what they're working on.
I've had opportunities to work in Dr. Kagan's research lab, where we recently have been able to work with novel inhibitors and different therapeutics in an attempt to fight the COVID-19 virus. It's been a great honor to be able to work against this virus that's affected all of us.
I plan to go get a master's in immunology in the UK. And after that, I hope to get a PhD in immunology and virology back in the US, and ultimately work in a laboratory setting in industry, working with immunology and therapeutics and biologics.
I always wanted to do something in the medical field because my sister has juvenile diabetes, and it was a perfect program. UGA offers so many options and variety of classes, and the advisors really help you choose exactly where you want to go.
I'm anticipating on attending medical school. And the Pharmaceutical Sciences Program has offered me many courses that's been very beneficial towards my pursuit and attending medical school, especially with preparing for the MCAT and having different coursework that has built a very solid foundation for the courses that I'll be taking in the future.
I actually just started my application for UGA's pharmacy school, which I am super excited about. A big reason why I want UGA pharmacy is my professors that I've had my junior and senior year have really been encouraging and supportive, and a lot of them will also teach some pharmacy courses in pharmacy school. So having that connection and that relationship and support system to carry through pharmacy school is something that I am really looking forward to.